This is Maytronics Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, and been having issues with the robot. I have a new motor in there that was replaced about 2 years ago. Having issues now. Occasionally it works, it doesn't. I realize there's something wrong with the cable, the connection. So just got a new one, and I'm gonna replace it to start with. I take off this side, it's a twist on, a little tight. There, and this one actually has only 2 pins, but then when I ordered this, it says it's compatible. It has 3 pins, 2 at the bottom with a notch at the top, and then 1 on the left. This one only has 2, so the extra one shouldn't cause any issues. So let's hope it works out. And the notch goes on the top, right there. There, see. Should fit. Yeah, it fits. Actually, there is they have like 4 ports. Only 2 are used, and this one has 3. This cable, but that probably will be left unused. So I'm gonna get the robot, disconnect the connection, and then hook it up. To disconnect at the top, you have to remove these 4 stainless steel screws. That one is already loose. That one's off, and one on this side, then the last one right there. That's also already loose. And a gentle tug should come off. There. Let's take a look inside. And I have to disconnect this by twisting it aside. I need both the hands for that. I'll try the right. And you just have to slide it off here. So I'm going to use both hands. And then we'll take a look inside. Slides off like so. And you can lift it off. And there are 4 more stainless steel screws, and then the port gets hooked up right here. Should be twist off. I'll be back and I'll get a wrench to make it easy. So just gently twist it off. Should come off now. Let's get the 4 screws off. Holds it in place. 2. All right. Get those off. 1, 2, and just leave it in there. All right, and then this is off. Just need to tug, pull it out. It's tight. There. And then this one has only 2, and but that has it's for like 3 pins, and then the new one comes with the 3 pins as well. Let's take a look at the new one. There we go. Here's the new one with the 3 pins. Just gonna plug it in. And it also has for orientation, this notch goes down like so. Right there. and then tighten it. I have the cable secured, just tighten it. That's good enough. I'm gonna strip it. I think that's good enough. This is tight. This is watertight. And the next step is to get the strain relief connected over there, and then you can test it. Completed the cable connections and the strain relief. And those this back together and tighten the screws and test it. The moment of truth. Let's turn it on. There we go. See if it works. No response yet. After changing that power cable, this is the OEM from Maytronics. This has been working great. It's already cleaned up the core really well.